Right guys, something very exciting today. We're making Kung Pao Chicken. First, we're going to marinate the chicken. I got the chicken, sesame oil, soy sauce, Chinese spice, sugar, cornstarch. Besides the chicken, I got onion, green bell pepper, garlic, scallion, peanuts that will be roasted, and my Kung Pao sauce, which I'll share the recipe at the end of this video. Right, for the chicken, we're just going to strip it first and then turn it around and cut it into a cube. Now, into the cube. Right now, into the chicken, soy sauce and sesame oil, pinch of Chinese spice, some sugar, and mix it up, and then we're going to add cornstarch. Right, just give it a mix, and then cornstarch. Keep mixing until it's getting just a little bit of sticky, like that. And the cornstarch will help you bind the sauce, at the same time keeping the moisture inside of the chicken. As our veggies, we're just gonna leave them medium diced. Like that, about 1 inch to 1 inch. As of the scallions, about the same thing, just 1 inch batons. And for my garlic, I'm just gonna use my microplane to quickly grate it. I want it nice and small so it goes into the sauce very easily. For the peanuts, I'm just gonna pop this in the oven and set the temperature at 300. I didn't preheat my oven, and I find it very effective to put something inside of the cold oven and slowly bring up the temperature. Right, let's take a look at the veggies again. Green peppers, scallions, onions, and grated garlic. And let's do this, shall we? Right, before we start, I'm going to talk a little bit about the spices we're using today. First, Szechuan peppercorn. It's got that floral, pleasant, and fragrant smell to it. And when you taste it, it's got that nice, pleasant, tinkly feelings as well. Secondly, I'm using chili flakes. I don't have the whole dry chilies that you see in a restaurant. However, a pinch of it or two could go a long way. So use as much as you like. Last but not least, Chinese spice. It's got that sweetness and complexities that goes very well with onion, garlic, and chicken, and complements very well with chili flakes and Szechuan peppercorn. Before starting a stir fry, you have to have everything ready. Making stir fry is fast and furious. Once you go, you just go. You can't stop. So I got the veggies, chicken, seasoning, sauce. The order we're gonna cook this in is veggies, followed by chicken, followed by aromatics, and the spices, and finish with the sauce. Right, remember, it's fast and furious. And since I don't have a big wok, so I'm going to do these in batches. Veggies, followed by chicken, followed by aromatics, spices, and finish with the sauce. Right, pan is nice and hot. Let's go in with onions and peppers. Don't toss, just let it cook. It's cooking. Right, you really don't want to move the onions and peppers too much. This is not a wok. The heat is not that aggressive. So you have to just leave it in there and let it cook. Nice, beautiful. Give it a flip, a stir, and don't touch it again. Just let it cook. Aha, looking nice. That's it. 2 flips, you're done. Right, the veggies out, wipe down your pan, and get it back on the stove. Keep it nice and hot. Chicken we go. Same deal. This is not a wok, so the heat is not as aggressive. Just leave the chicken in there. Don't touch it, let it cook. Right, after a minute or so, give it a flip, add a little more oil. Now, add the garlic and scallions. Right, keep the heat nice and hot. Garlic in. Scallion in. Give it a stir. Right, now scallion and gingers are getting a nice color and flavor into the pan. Add the veggies back. And now we're gonna add spices. Veggies in, spices, delicious. Come on, go. Nice and quick, nice and quick. And don't toss it too much. Just give it a flip. Just give it a nice flip. And sauce goes in. There we go. Beautiful. Now, turn off your heat. You're done cooking. You just want to coat everything in the sauce now. Give it a stir, or you could toss. Toss, toss, or stir. Last but not least, get your peanuts in there. You can use cashew, almonds works. Nice, beautiful. Right, let's plate it up. Look at this. Gorgeous. Amazing. Right, Kung Pao chicken. How do you not like that? Just simple, easy, and delicious. Lovely. That's it, folks. Kung Pao chicken. Fast, easy, straightforward. A little more peanuts. Give it a crunch. Chili. Szechuan peppercorn. Go get it.